I'm Gordon Robertson, the 7th Principal and current Principal of Glendowie College. This area outside the gym may be familiar to you. You would have crossed it regularly on the way to the tuck shop or to the gym. I've been at the school for 37 years and this area hasn't changed in that time except for a few buildings around the edge.
I'm Spencer, one of Glendowie College's head prefects. On rainy school days, which we get a lot of this time of the year, we find students in hallways and other sheltered areas trying to find coverage from the rain when eating their lunch.
It would be great if we could change this from an area that students just walk through to a place where there is shelter, decent seating and planting where students would like to sit, have lunch and interact with their friends.
We would love for the community, with you the alumni, to help donate to this cause and make our school a more comfortable, healthy area for our students to eat lunch.
We have some seed money donated by the 25th Anniversary Committee and would like the refurbishment of this area to be a fundraising priority for the alumni. Any support you could give would be greatly appreciated.